Without objection.
Thank you so much, Madam Speaker. I rise today to honor and recognize a very distinguished Coral Gables resident, Ambassador Sue Cobb, on being the recipient of the Order of Jamaica. A fellow University of Miami graduate, Ambassador Cobb is the first U.S. woman to receive this distinction, one of Jamaica's highest awards. It recognizes her service as our United States Ambassador from the year 2001 to 2005, as well as her continuing efforts to promote Jamaica's interest and support its development. She continues her service to this island nation as president of American Friends of Jamaica. This organization is helping to bring greater prosperity and educational opportunities to the people of Jamaica. Sue, this well-deserved award is a testament to your character and to your determination, and we in South Florida are indeed fortunate to call you our neighbor. Congratulations to Sue Cobb. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Pursuant to Clause